Okay, good morning, everyone. So today is June 13th, Thursday. Bitcoin is still consolidating its range. If we actually zoom in a little bit, we can see that, let's look on BitMEX, that yesterday we broke this resistance here at 8,100, and volume was legit, decent volume on that spike. The problem is we just basically didn't pass this first resistance here. So we broke this resistance. Second one was here to the next target at 8,400. Right now we have just retested this level, which is fine. Price is consolidating around here, but I would want to get a push and get to the next target at 8,400 pretty soon. Overall, we could be still in a head and shoulder formation. Okay, so here you got left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Given the momentum and what Bitcoin has pulled over the last months, it could completely blow that. So basically, people that will be shorting this right shoulder will just will be crying, because basically what Bitcoin is good at is drawing. Actually, what I've drawn here on yellow is drawing something like that, where it makes a pull up, and then you think like there's a head and shoulder forming, and then it just blasts through it. So that's something to keep in mind. But at this point, still bullish, still expecting at least another. So what that would be, 3% move up. Lots of alts are doing well. So Litecoin seems to have topped. So I discussed yesterday. Where is Litecoin? Litecoin. Let's look at a bit of history. Versus BTC, we can see that we are reaching the previous high, and we made the real first 6% move down since the uptrend. Versus USD, still doing okay. 130. I think we could reach another 150 if Bitcoins pulls another leg up. Another thing to note is BNB has printed the all-time high. So I've broken the all-time high versus USD. Okay, what you want here is make sure that, so this was the previous all-time high at 35.5 USD. Is that we don't get like a 2B, as Sperandeo calls them. So basically, we get the liquidity above and then sharply moves below, retest that, and then continue. At this point, that's not something I would expect. Given BNB is a very strong coin. If you wanted to be long that, I don't recommend longing on the breakout. Usually you wait for a retest, which seems to be happening actually. So if you zoom in on the 1 hour, usually when you have a breakout of a level like that, you wait for a retest, you buy at this retest, and then it continues the expansion. That's the most the better risk-adjusted trade you can do to get into a position. And if we look at BNB versus BTC, let's just unzoom a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's clear. So yeah, see, it cleared this high, but it got rejected right away. So hopefully that holds around here, and we make some little consolidation before making another leg. But that will mainly depend into what BTC is going to do. ETH as well doing fairly well. So if we look at ETH USD, so ETH USD, I think it actually reached the target that we discussed. So the target on this Wolf wave was from this point to this point. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we reached the target yesterday. I think there is still room for another leg up, actually. Even though we reached the target, I think we're at 260. We might reach 270 versus BTC. Let's look at ETH real quick on Binance. Yeah, we broke that. Retested a couple of times this support, and now we made a nice leg up yesterday, 3%. Really, next target you can see for ETH is a 10% move up, which could be nice, but same, that will depend on BTC. If BTC were to move strongly, all that will come back to support once again. Another one where I like the structure is Ripple. So if we zoom in on the lower time frame, Ripple has basically expanded above this falling wedge, okay, and is now making another little bull flag. So you could expect an expansion from Ripple retest at least this level here, and then the purple line. Lots of alts are looking pretty good, except yeah, the ones from the IEOs, they are kind of retracing, which means that money is flowing somewhere else. Let's see how they do in the coming few weeks. But right now the spotlight is mainly on the majors, on the large caps. Oh yeah, the ones that I like as well, that I think are preparing for a move, is all the anonymous coins. So Dash is here. Where's Monero? Monero is also looking interesting, given so it's at the bottom and it's consolidating here. I think you have a nice risk-adjusted entry where basically you put your stop just below here, but the upside is fairly high here on Monero if we were looking to buy that. Overall, the market of ALS, just zoom a little bit and check again where are ALS. So these are ALS BTC, okay. Oh yeah, actually, so we are retesting exactly this level that was broken. That wasn't broken on early June, so last week, and we cleared the resistance. So that's looking pretty good for ALT BTC. So these are the many large caps. If we look at the smaller ones, still in the same zone. Nothing really has changed since yesterday. Yeah. So yeah, large caps are looking pretty good. Hopefully there will be some move following up the profits from Litecoin that could be redistributed to others, and we'll see where things goes. But right now, still mainly bullish on BTC. Hopefully it clears the 8,300, then 400, and then we'll make maybe another attempt to the 10K. But let's still keep cautious and manage positions, because we're not out of the wood yet. Like, we're still in this green zone. Okay, so as long as we are just into that zone, it just could be ping-ponging here for a little bit. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that this is not financial advice and you should do your own research. Thank you.